As a professional nursing tutor, I'm going to tell you how you can decide if you need one-on-one tutoring or group tutoring in order to meet your nursing school goals. Feel free to bookmark in case you need to refer back to this later. Almost everybody assumes that they need one-on-one tutoring, but that's usually not the case. Although there's definitely some pros to getting one-on-one tutoring, of course, but there's also some negatives. The main benefit of one-on-one tutoring is it's going to get you faster results. That's because you get the personal one-on-one attention, obviously, and because you have more one-on-one time with me as a tutor, there's usually time for me to specifically review or even reteach some of the material that you're learning in nursing school. You're never going to get a tutor that reteaches everything, nor should you, because your goal with a tutor should not be just to reteach the content. If you have a tutor that's just reteaching the content, they are wasting your time and you're wasting your money. What you really want is a tutor who is going to help you learn to think like a nurse. This is basically improving your critical thinking skills, helping you to think about the content. That's what we mean by thinking like a nurse. It's basically improving your clinical judgment. And you can't do that only if somebody is reteaching you content. But with one-on-one tutoring sessions, you can usually have time to work on some of that, growing your clinical judgment with also getting some content review combined. The biggest negative of one-on-one tutoring is going to be, for most students, the price tag, because as you might expect, it's more expensive than group tutoring. Now, I offer a little bit of a discount on group tutoring if you buy it in 4 packs, mostly because I prefer working with students over a longer term, because that's when you see the best results. Because remember, I'm not just trying to do content review for you. I want to help you change the way you think so you can think like a nurse. But still, if you're not working, if you don't have an income during nursing school, if money is tight, then one-on-one tutoring might not be for you. Group tutoring, on the other hand, is a fantastic option for most people. Like I said, you might not get quite as quick results as with one-on-one tutoring, but you can get the same results, the same really good results and success in nursing school. And despite what you probably think, you can get personal attention with group tutoring too. So the way I do group tutoring is in my group tutoring membership. It's a monthly membership that you can cancel anytime, but we basically do weekly group tutoring sessions. And we also have a community forum so you can post questions anytime in between tutoring sessions too. The basic idea is I never want you to feel stuck. So when we talk about things in the group tutoring, or you do some of my pre-recorded lessons, which are also included in my membership, and you're trying to implement the things you're learning in the videos, but maybe you get confused or stuck or something like that, all you have to do is either come to a group tutoring session or post a question in the forum and I'll help you out. Everything gets a guaranteed answer. And the other thing is that I've been a professional nursing tutor for 15 years now. Trust me when I say I have seen it all. So whatever problem you're having in nursing school, you can just come to one group tutoring session, let me talk to you for a few minutes. I probably know exactly what you need to do in order to get better results in nursing school. And I can develop a plan for you right there on the spot so that you leave the session knowing exactly what you have to do to be successful. And not only that, if you get stuck while you are doing this plan, you can always come back to a future group tutoring session. You can always post in the forum so that I can help you more. It's a really nice in-between between the expensive one-on-one tutoring versus just completely being on your own. And if you're in a position where both of those are out of your budget, make sure you give me a follow, because that's why I do a lot of free content. I have free overviews on the Silver Bullet study system in my bio link, and I have blog posts. I have a podcast called Navigating Nursing School with Your Nursing Tutor. I try to make things available to help all nursing students no matter what your budget level is.